Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Grammy-winning reggae artist Coffee is featured on John Legend's newly released album dubbed Bigger Love. The project that was released today sees Coffee appearing on the track Don't Walk Away. Coffee earlier this week took to Twitter where she thanked Legend for the opportunity to be featured on the project. In a tweet, John Legend expressed that this project has been a labor of love for him, something he has spent over a year conceiving and creating. He also added that every album is unique, his life experiences evolve, his perspective evolves, his inspiration and mood are different, and he often pushes himself by collaborating with different people to get him out of his comfort zone. He says he feels like it all came together to make Bigger Love his best album yet. The 16-track album also features songs such as Actions, One Life, Focused, Slow Cooker, Always, and Never Break. The album also sees the likes of Gary Clark Jr., Janae Aiko, Rhapsody, and Camper. John Legend will be going on his 2020 Bigger Love tour. The tour is set to kick off on August 12 and continues to September 25, and we'll see him making stops in Dallas, Atlanta, New York, Portland, and Toronto, among other cities. Now, the Issa Trust Foundation recently announced that legendary reggae band Third World has come on board as Goodwill Reggae ambassadors for the foundation. Speaking with E-Prime, President of Issa Trust, Diane Pollard, shared details on the appointment.
We were so impressed with the enthusiasm shown by Third World Band for their humanitarian efforts and interest in the Issa Trust Foundation's programs. In 2019, they performed during our very successful For the Children concert with Air Supply and Coffee. They went with our team and toured the neonatal and pediatric wards at St. Anne's Bay Hospital to learn more about the foundation's work. They shared that they wanted to play a part to help in any way they could, to help impact the lives of the children. We are very excited and thankful for their partnership.
Celebrating 46 years, Third World is one of the longest living reggae bands of all time and one of Jamaica's most consistently popular crossover acts among international audiences. Now, it's another exciting Fame Frequency party set to take place tomorrow night. Famous, a reunion of the Fraternity of Amazing Musical Expression, acronym for FAME. The event will feature Fame stalwarts, get this, Francois Saint-Just and Derek Wilkes, with Fame lead Colin Hines, as well as present favorites Narity and Kevin. The Fame Frequency Party series has been a staple on Saturday night since COVID-19. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.